Welcome everybody. We're going to learn how to use our Mathia app today. So once you're in class link, you're going to click on the icon that has a CL, and that is going to take you to the Carnegie Learning portal where Mathia is located. You'll notice your period number and then your grade level. Make sure that ours says grade 7, and you're going to click on launch. That's going to take you to your home screen. And on this corner over here, it'll show you your class period number. Make sure that's correct. And then this big space is the next assignment that you have due. And you can just start on it from clicking the start button right here. On this side, we have our progress. So it shows you how many assignments have been assigned in total. That includes the ones that are finished. In this spot right here, it shows you how many are not started yet, how many you have in progress right here, and then how many you have completed is in the green. If we scroll down, it shows you a list of your assignments, so you can scroll left and right, and that shows you all of the different assignments. As you move from left to right, it starts with all the ones that are in progress, goes to the ones that are not started, and then all the ones that are finished are at the end. If you want to just see all the ones that are not started, you click on not started and it shows you those here. If you want to see just the ones in progress, click on in progress and it'll show you those. And if you want to see all the ones you finished, you hit done and it'll show you all of those. If you want to look for a specific assignment, such as investigating circles, it will come up and show you this, and you can just click on it. Alright, and you can also see your assignments from the My Assignments button, and that will show you a more organized list of all the different workspaces. So here it shows you the names and then your status, which ones are in progress, which ones are not started, and which ones are finished. It also shows you how many attempts you have had to complete it, and then we click on the open button to start your workspace. If you have already completed one, you hit open and an error message will show up asking you to have the instructor restart the workspace. Many times students want to restart them just for more practice, and some want to restart them to get a better grade. So there's two different types of workspaces. We're going to look at one now, and that is using proportions to solve percent problems. In this type of workspace, if you notice, the circle is filled in, and then there's a flag at the end. So this one has the ability for you to see hints. So if you need a hint, you click on that, and then it'll give you 3 different hints. And you can put in the answer if you're stuck. Hit enter and it'll show you a little check mark saying you're correct. However, if you do not get the answer correct, it'll show you a little X, and that'll mean that you are incorrect. On the workspaces that have these circles here, these are more for teaching you the concept or tutoring you in the concept. And so on the left hand side, you'll see notes and examples that have been completed, as well as different methods to solve the problems. On the right hand side, it shows you, is where you actually do the practice. Every page you finish, the next circle will fill in. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages. Once you're finished, you will click I'm done, and then if you want to leave and come back, you can just hit the exit key and then go back, and it brings you back to this screen. It does save all of your progress. Now there is a second workspace, and these are for practice. So we'll open up one of those. Now these are where the actual grades come from. It does provide you a step-by-step example, and it shows and you do not get counted off for this. You can also go to a sample problem, and some of the workspaces will have a sample problem, and that'll allow you to, or show you how to do the problem as well without hurting your score. Once you're done, you can hit go to problem, and then you can go back and work through the problems, the actual practice problems. If you notice that the circles here, they're not filled in. If you notice, they kind of start to get bigger. So as you master each skill, they will start to fill in blue, and when you have mastered the skill, it'll become green. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different smaller skills that make it up. So once you have them all done, a little flag will come up and spin, and you'll click I'm done. Now, if you need to look up a word because you're not exactly sure, let's say, what radius means, you can go to glossary, type in the word radius, click on the word, and that will show you the definition and the examples. If you are needing it in Spanish, you can click yes, and that'll show you the Spanish version. When you're finished, you just click on the X. Once you've completed the workspace, as I said, it'll come up with a little flag and spin, and then you just click I'm done. So we're going to go ahead and click out of here. If you have any questions on how to use any of the different workspaces, please let me know. But that's it for today. Have a great day, guys.